In this video, I will show you how to download and play Clash Royale on PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is go to play.google.com/Google Play Games, search for it, and after that, you will see the download here. Click on it, and then wait for it to complete the download, and then you will see it here. And then once it's done, click on it, and then wait for it, and then go ahead, and you will see the location here. You can change also the location, and then click on install, and then wait for it to download and to install, and then after that, click on sign in so you can sign in with Google, and here you can choose an account, and then click on sign in, and then close this, and then click on looks good, click on accept, click on finish, and then you will see the app here. So click on search, and then search for Clash Royale. Click on it, and then click on the Clash Royale here, and then click on install, click on add, and then wait for it to download. So you will see it's pending, and then click on play. And here you will see the apps, and then choose the age. So by adjusting this blue thing, and then I will adjust it and click on OK. So when you open this app and you are a beginner, you need to follow this instruction of tutorial game. So you need to finish this first. So I will play a game. I will play it, and then after that, you need to have a player name. And then, if you want to connect your ID, click on 3 horizontal lines, and then click on settings, and then click on connect, and then you will see this, and then after that, click on continue, and then type your email here, and then after you type your email, click on login, and that's it. You can connect your Supercell ID and continue to play a game. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.